Students, today we will start Science for class 5th. The title of new book for session 2020-21 is Wonder of Science. Now we will start lesson 1. The title of lesson 1 is Reproduction in plants. What do you mean by reproduction? Reproduction means to reproduce, to remake. Okay. Now we are coming to description. There are different kinds of plants around us. Means we have different type of plants nearby us. Plants are very useful for us. We completely depend upon the plants. Plants give us food, cereals, pulses, vegetables and fruits. Means what are the outcome from plants to us? We get tobacco and rubber from plants. Plants also give us medicine. They give us wood to make furniture. Plants take in carbon dioxide from the air and give out oxygen while they prepare their food. Means plants take carbon dioxide as a food and give out oxygen, which is very helpful for us to breathe while they prepare their food. Hence, plants are very important for us and we should take proper care of our farms and gardens. In these sentences, it has made clarified that why plants are important for us. The next topic is reproduction. Some pictures are also given in front of this description. In the first one, there are cats. There is a family belonging to cats, and the next one below that picture, there is a family of dogs. Okay, to tell you the details about the same. Now the next one is reproduction. Reproduction is a process by which the living organisms produce offsprings of their own kind. I have told you earlier that what is the meaning of reproduction. Reproduction is the work to reproduce the things. For example, like animals, plants and trees can reproduce offspring of their same kind. In the first one, you are seeing a baby cat and a puppy. In the second one picture, reproduction in plants. Like animals, plants also need to reproduce so their species may not die out. Now we are coming to reproduction in plants. Plants also reproduce their species just like animals. Okay, followed all of you. The next topic is the types of reproduction in plants. Now we will discuss what are the types of reproduction in plants. To reproduce from body parts, vegetable propagation. The number 2, to reproduce from seed. Number 1, reproduce from body parts, vegetative propagation. Plants reproduce in different ways. Most of the plants reproduce through seeds, means plants reproduction through their own seeds. Some plants do not have seeds in it. There are also some plants who are without seeds, without seeds. They reproduce through leaf, stem, roots, etc. Means there is another way of reproduction relating to them. One is by leaf, one is by stem, and one is by roots. This type of reproduction is known as vegetative propagation. Clear? What is the vegetative propagation? Vegetative propagation means reproduction through seeds or some other way, just like leaf, stem, roots, etc. Part 1, reproduction through stem. Many plants grow from the stem of the plant. For example, like sugarcane, money plant and rose are grown with this method. Means these plants are growing by stem. The second one, reproduction through root. Many plants grow from the root of the plant. The other variety is reproduction through root. For example, plants like sweet potato, carrot and radish are grown with this method. The example is potato, carrot and radish. The third one is reproduction through leaves. Many plants grow from the leaves of the plant. Plants like bryophyllum are grown with this method. The next page. There is another type, that is reproduction through spores. Many plants have special structures called spores. They do not bear flowers. They reproduce with the help of these spores. Plants like mushroom, ferns and mosses are grown with this method. This is the fourth variety of reproduction in the first stream, that is reproduction through the spores. In figures you can see the reproduction by stem, by roots, by leaves and by spores. I think it will be well clear to all of you. Next, the reproduction from seeds. Most plants grow from seeds. Look at the plants growing around you. Most of them produce seeds. Plants have flowers on them. Flower changes into fruits. Fruits have seeds inside them. Flowers changes into fruits. Fruits have seeds inside them. All fruits do not have equal number of seeds. Some fruits have only a single seed, such as mango, lychee, blackberry, etc. Some fruits have a number of seeds, such as papaya, tomato, watermelon, pea, oranges, guava, etc. In this chapter, it is told how to reproduce plants from their seeds. The next topic is structure of a seed. Take a few bean seeds of gram seeds and soak them in water for a few hours. Now treat it is just like an experiment. Now it becomes easy to split the seed, and now look at its part. There is the structure picture for a seed in which embryo is marked, food store is marked, seed coat is marked. The picture is giving you the clarification about its different parts. Okay students, now next paragraph you will see that a seed has three main parts. A thick outer covering is called seed coat. The outer coat is told as seed coat. It protects the seed from any damage. To avoid damage, it is essential. Okay, and also from drying out. It also prevents the seed from drying. Seed coat can be thin and soft or thick and hard, depending upon its status or circumstances. This is the place where it is attached with the fruit. The seed has hole on it which allows water to enter in the seed. Clear? The next paragraph is, inside the seed coat, two seed leaves are present. Over these leaves are known as cotyledons. The exact pronunciation is cotyledons. These leaves cover the baby plant between them. The baby plant inside the leaves is known as embryo. Embryo is clearly mentioned in the picture. You can see it. Have you seen embryo? Okay. The seed leaves have food stored in them, and the baby plant uses up this food to grow till it has leaves. Means baby plant uses this food up to the stage of leaves, which can make its own food. Because food for plant, food is made by leaves, so it fulfills the need of food unless the leaves are coming to plants. Okay, some seeds like rice, wheat, maize that belong to the gram family have only one seed leaf, whereas seeds like pea, beans, grams have two seed leaves. This baby plant remains inside the seed till it gets favorable conditions to grow. Clear? I think about plants I have given the complete description. Now I am stopping this video.
Any questions, ask in the comment section.
Any questions? If you have, you can ask in comment section. Okay, this is part 1 for this subject and lesson 1. Thank you.